Welcome sa first topic ng Pre-Calculus for STEM Senior High School students. Dito mag-uumpisa ang inyong calculus journey. And we will be starting with conic sections. During your junior high school days, naging familiar na kayo sa geometric figures like triangles, quadrilaterals, and circles. Dito, we will expand on your geometric figures at hindi lang tayo magpo-focus sa properties nila, pero we will also analyze them using different equations. Are you excited? Let's go! Ang geometric figures na pag-uusapan natin ay tinatawag na conic sections kasi nanggaling sila sa intersection ng isang plane at ng ating cone. So these are the figures that will be formed by this action, pero hindi lang tayo magstay sa isang orientation. We can do tilt our plane and then we will be forming a different figure. Also, we can tilt it na tatamaan yung base ng cone here. And then lastly, we can orient our plane na perpendicular with our base. Ngayon, ano kaya yung figures na mabubuo natin kapag ginawa natin etong action na to? The first one is a circle. A circle is formed kapag yung plane is parallel with our base ng cone. They are parallel as our plane cut our conic section, it will form a circle. So as we are looking at this figure na 3D, hindi siya ganun ka-evident, pero pag tinignan natin to on a top view, we will be seeing yung circle na part na to. This is our first conic section, the circle. For our next conic section, we will be talking about an ellipse. Ang ellipse ay mabubuo kapag yung plane naman natin ay tinilt natin ng kaunti, pero hindi pa siya tatama dun sa base ng ating cone. As you can see, mas na-stretch siya dito sa part na to, kaya ang mabubuo natin is an ellipse. This is the figure of an ellipse. For our first section, parallel with our base, that is a circle. Kapag tinilt natin, we have an ellipse. For our third conic section, we have a parabola. Kapag tinilt pa natin yung ating plane and then it cut through the cone at tumama na siya dun sa base, ang mabubuo natin is this parabola. Hindi na tayo makakabuo ng isang closed figure agad-agad dito, kagaya ng isang circle, tsaka ng ellipse, kasi nahati na tayo dito sa part na to. It will look like this. Para siyang letter U. So that is a parabola. And for our fourth conic section, we have our hyperbola. Ang property naman natin is this plane is perpendicular. Pag dinuloy natin, hindi lang makabuo na straight line. Pag binuo natin to, it will form a right angle with the base of the cone. As it cuts through the cone, it will form a hyperbola. And hyperbola comes in pairs. Kasi if we will be starting another cone mula dito sa tip ng ating cone na magkabaligtaran sila at magkakat tayo ng isang perpendicular plane, then we will be forming two figures here, which is a hyperbola. For us to properly visualize, let me show you all of the four conic sections that we have discussed in a single slide. For our first one, we have our circle. Kinat natin yung ating cone parallel to the base of our cone. And then pag tinilt natin ng konti, that is, ang mabubuo natin ay isang ellipse. And then kapag kinat natin na tumama tayo dun sa base ng ating cone, nakabuo tayo ng parabola, and given two cones, nagcut tayo ng perpendicular dun sa base natin, we have our hyperbola. Those are the four conic sections that will be tackled in our subject pre-calculus.